Hey world, I'm here to teach you some Rubik's Cube patterns. Now this Rubik's Cube is a white speed one. Yours is going to be black. Here is one of the patterns that I know. Here it goes. Up, up, down, down, front, front, back, back, right, right, left, left. What you should have is a cube that looks like this. To get out of this, you do the same thing. Up, up, down, down, front, front, back, back, right, right, left, left. Now, here is another pattern that I know. You move this middle center once, turn the cube 90 degrees, move the center once again, and you keep doing this until you get the right way. And what you should have is a cube that looks like this. How do we get out of this? Well, I'm here to teach you. Let's start with the green center. Now the green center is surrounded by the white. Here's the white center. In fact, here we have the three that are just flipped around. To change this, we here look at this. This is red with surrounded by green. How do we get the green to the green center? I'm going to teach you that. Do not look at the corners. Don't look at the corners, just look at the edges. Now we have to find the two edges that would match this. So we match the two edges, two green edges with the green center. Good. Now what's left? White. So now we match the white with the white center. And now what's left? Red. So we now match the red with the red center. And now we can solve it. Here's another pattern that I know. Up, up, down, down, right, right, up, up, down, down, left, left. What you should get is one that looks like this. Get out of it, you do the same algorithm. Up, up, down, down, right, right, up, up, down, down, left, left. There, we got it. Here's another way. Here's another pattern that I know. Up, up, left, left, up, up, left, left, up, left, left. It also helps to hold the cube like this. Is a diamond shape. There, we got it. Well, that's all the patterns I have to teach you. Maybe I will make another video, maybe I won't. But until then, I will see you later.